Welcome back to Ion's Easy Max. Today we are having one question, logical question. If x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 23, we have to find the values of x. So we are going to solve this. So before we start, don't forget to pause the video and try it to solve. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So let's get started. So here you have to find the value of x. So here what is given first of all, x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is 23. So here you have to find the value of x. So here I will write in exponential form x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 23. Now here we are going to use the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. Now this is a value, this is b value. Now the 2ab term is missing here. So x square whole square plus 1 by x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square is equal to 23. Here these two terms get cancelled. So here we are adding 2 on both sides. So these two terms will get cancelled. If we add 2 on both sides, now it will be in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is nothing but a plus b whole square. So here what will get now? If you apply the formula, x square plus 1 by x square whole square is equal to 25. So here x square plus 1 by x square will be square root of 25. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to plus or minus 5. So here the value of x square plus 1 by x square is plus or minus 5. So here also you can apply the same concept. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to, you will take positive value here, 5 plus 2. This can be written as x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 7. So here x plus 1 by x will be, you are taking positive value, x plus 1 by x will be square root of 7. So here we will get a positive and negative. X plus 1 by x will be plus or minus root 7. Now if you send this 7 to that side, x plus or minus root 7 plus 1 by x is equal to 0. Now you will get a quadratic x square plus or minus root 7 into x plus 1 equal to 0. Here a value is 1, b value plus or minus root 7 and c value is equal to 1. Now x value you want to find minus b plus or minus root of. Here we are finding the value of x by using this formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula you are using to complete this problem. So here minus b plus or minus root of b square root 7 whole square minus 4ac by 2a. So here x value will be plus or minus root 7 plus or minus root of 7 minus 4 by 2. So this can be written as x is equal to plus or minus root 7 plus or minus root 3 by 2. So the possible values of x, we are having 4 possible values: plus root 7 plus root 3 by 2, comma, plus root 7 minus root 3 by 2, comma, minus root 7 plus root 3 by 2, comma, minus root 7 minus root 3 by 2. These are the 4 possible values of x. So here you can check and you can get this verification also. So thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching INCG Max Olympiad.